Hey guys, what's popping? So today I'm going to be making a snack using literal snacks. Can you imagine? Today I have fried chicken that I'm going to not use regular flour butter for. These bad boys. I actually decided to be a little outrageous and I reached for Classic Selects as one of my batter options. So we're just gonna get right into that. Here we have our yummy chicken. Look at that. It smells so good. Like I want to eat it right now. I really do. But I had to hold off on that. So to grind up my butter, I have my mother NutriBullet right here. If not, what you can do is like just crush it up in the pack if you don't want to use your bullet or your Ninja or food processor, right? But I'm gonna do it that way and place it in these bowls I have in front of me, and I'm gonna use water as my sticky thingy majigger to hold or to attach the stuff to the fried drumsticks. All right, so let's get into it. So to decide which one I'm gonna go with first, I have no idea. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny. Okay, I landed on the Bigfoot. So let's get some Bigfoot up in there. I hope this is not one of these situations where I open it and it just goes flying all over the place. I'm a pro. Listen, I get, oh, okay. I thought I got all whole Bigfoot. Now I'm gonna attach it to the base, screw it on like this. Let me bring the bullet closer. Plug it in. That was pretty easy. Very quick. It looks like it's stuck up. It looks like it's stuck. That's the key. Let me get it into my bowl now. So here we have our Bigfoot batter. Let's go into the rest. Now we have tortillas, and this is the spicy cheese. Now I've added in Cheetos. Now we're gonna crush up the Doritos. This is the nacho cheese flavored Doritos. And last but certainly not the least, we have Classic Select. So you know Classic Select has cornados, pretzels, cheesies, cornados, and ole in it. This batter about to be interesting. I'm gonna do it one more time just in case we have any pretzels still hard up in there and chunky now. I really wanted to let you guys know what I think might be, what I'm looking forward to the most, I should say, and what I'm least looking forward to, what I think is gonna be rich in flavor. Somehow I feel like the Bigfoot should be rich in flavor because I feel like Bigfoot itself is naturally packed with a lot of cheese and spice and all them things. But what I'm especially looking forward to is the Classic Select, and I think it's probably because it's a combination of the cheesies and the cornados and all these different things, and then there's the pretzels to still give it that savory flavor, that salt. I'm most excited about the local one. I feel the local one might get, because when I open up the flaming hot Cheetos, well, after I emptied it from the container here, I find I wasn't getting that flaming hot Cheetos smell like You know, sometimes when you smell pepper fragrance, how it does make you like choke, cough and thing. And get that. So I feel they have it. But if it is you think and you want to predict before we reach the end of this video as to who you think is gonna take it home, then comment and let me know. Alright, we're back with the next step. So what we're gonna do is coat our chicken with the snacks. I already fried the chicken for 15 minutes prior, and then I'm going to baste it in my water before coating it in the different snacks and placing it on my tray. Here I'm using water as an option, but you can use egg or you can use pepper sauce or whatever it is you want to do to just so that the chicken has that opportunity or the ability to adhere to your snacks. Okay, so we're going in with chicken number 1. And I'm gonna dip it first in my Bigfoot. So water it up first. This is just like how we did the KFC one, except we didn't press it into the batter first because the chicken is dry. It's not gonna be able to pick up anything, you know? I'm making mess. See how that looking? That looking good at? And then I place it on my tray. I do it again. And we have to make sure we get it all up in there. And this is the spicy Bigfoot. It looks delicious already. I feel like I could just eat it as is. Guys, don't they look yummy? Oh my goodness. This is the Bigfoot. This is the tortillas. Flaming hot Cheetos. This here is the Doritos, and this is the classic select. So we have 2 of everything, and I had my oven preheated. It's ready to go in, and it will stay for just under 10 minutes to get up in there. Know what I'm saying?
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is the outcome. It pretty much looks exactly like how it was when it went in, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna still take the opportunity to taste it. So I'm gonna start first with the flaming hot Cheetos. I definitely smell the Cheetos, but I also smell fried chicken. You know? It's very juicy. It's very, very juicy. I must say, it's not like dry. I'm getting the spice from the Cheetos. Like, I'm really, really getting the spice from the Cheetos. And I was so surprised. I didn't think I would. Okay. I mean, I can't finish the whole chicken, guys. Or else I can't be able to taste the others. But what I will do is give you guys a rating as to if it is, I think you all should try this or not. Right? Now, 1 to 10, I really appreciate the fact that I'm still tasting the flavor of the chicken as well as the Cheetos. So I will give this, I'm gonna be generous and give this a 7. Yeah. This game a 7. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. And that is the Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Okay. This is so good. I just know it. I need to like pick my fingers. I feel Like I'm definitely tasting more of the cheesy side of the Bigfoot in this. I'm not getting as much spice that I got in the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. But at the same time, you still get some flavor. So I will rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. Should it making no sense or it making real sense? This will get like a 6. I honestly feel like the Cheetos was better than the Bigfoot. Only a shame. I can't believe I had to tell the people and them that the Cheetos are really Cheeto, you know. We're going back local. So I'm going to taste the tortillas. This is the spicy cheese, I believe it is. So let me taste that one. I think it was a really, really good idea not cooking the drumstick for the full time of 20 minutes. That definitely helped. I don't know, I feel like it's something about the Cheetos and the Bigfoot. They're still superior to the tortillas. I'm going to try, I don't want to give all the rates in it, but I'm going to try the Doritos nacho. This is nacho cheese. Oh my gosh, there's so many crumbs on my face. One of the Dorito nacho cheese was not even as good as the tortillas. Doritos getting a 5. And the tortillas on the same level with Bigfoot, they're getting a 6. We're going to try classic select. Now this had a combination of the cornados, the cheesies, the ole, and the pretzels. Let's see. I'm about to dive in. Oh yeah, I was really expecting flavor from the classic select. And let me tell you, I am disappointed. It just tastes like regular breadcrumbs earlier. Let me tell you, the only two things that making sense here is to try the Bigfoot and the Cheetos, you know. No lie, hands down. The others just taste like a cheesy type of breadcrumbs or breading. If you have ever tried this, comment and let me know. Will you ever try this? I feel like parents, if you're watching this, make this for your children. I'm sure they're going to enjoy chicken a different way. Aunties and uncles and friends, do this for your godchildren and your nieces and nephews. Or even do it for yourself and have it as a different type of snack whenever you're hanging out with your friends. I am honestly, unfortunately, I have to say the Cheetos won this one. I was not rooting for it, but it win. We call it a snacky snack because it's a snack using snacks. Alright? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. Word out. Peace.